Hey guys, so today we are going to do a 2019 wrap up, wrap down, whatever. I'm just gonna go through some of my favorite makeup products from the year of 2019. Going to try to keep it more towards products that came out this year. However, some of these are products that I just caught the wave to this year, so I really like them and I'm going to include them in this video. So let's get started. So my favorite primer this year is the soft matte primer from Fenty Beauty. And I like this primer. It doesn't make me super dry, but it keeps me matte enough, like the name, soft matte. It does exactly what it says, and my skin has changed quite a bit since I've had Blythe. I used to be super oily and now I'm not really as oily. My favorite foundation from this year is the Beauty Bakery Aqua Glass, and this is in the shade 315W. For shade reference, I am like New Guinea and NARS. Macau is also a good shade for me in NARS. I am in the 420 to like 440 range of Fenty. MAC would be NW44 mixed with like NC50. And this is a pretty good MAC. I like this foundation because it gives a pretty finish where, like, just like I was saying with the primer, it's not matte, but it's not gonna leave you like super greasy and oily. Like, I end up looking like a little doll. Now see why I like this foundation. It gives a nice smooth finish, but it's not super full coverage. Like, I test how full coverage a foundation is by how well it covers my mole on my cheek, and like I can still see where to put my mole back. So it is buildable, but it's enough coverage for me. So definitely love this. I didn't put any on my forehead. The girl at Sephora put me on to this Espresso Matchstick by Fenty. The shade is just a beautiful warmth type of a contour color. I don't know how to explain it. Just, you see how pretty that is, and it's not like super soft and oily, and it just blends into the skin so nicely. And it doesn't, like I said, it doesn't feel oily, so it doesn't like leave my skin super oily, which I love. Hit that jawline because you're gaining pounds.
Let me see.
Okay.
Look at that.
Now, because of this next product, I feel so unfaithful. But I have a new favorite concealer. Don't get me wrong. Can't nothing touch this. I haven't found anything that could touch this quite yet. This is still Bae. This is probably forever going to be Bae. Forever going to be Bae. But again, with the beauty. Again, the Beauty Bakery. This is their 3-in-1 concealer, the Instant Bake, and this is in the shade Sugar Daddy. It is kind of, I would say this, okay, I will give you some light. I would say this is like a jelly consistency type of, I don't know. But this concealer is very, very flawless. And this color is super pretty. It's not as bright as what I would normally go for concealer, like if I'm going out or something. So I still add a little bit of my NARS to it, and they work together very nicely.
Be nice.
Very nicely. Mm-hmm.
And then more that.
Okay. There you go. Another thing I forgot to mention about this concealer is the applicator. You see how it's round and not flat on one side? I feel like everybody should switch to these type of applicators. I don't know. Like, I have to dip it in a lot less because it's product all the way around and it's a lot more comfortable. So you kind of just rotate the product around under your eye. I like it. Favorite eyebrow utensil product, this right here from L'Oreal is the Brow Stylist Definer Ultra Fine Tip Mechanical Pencil. No, I'm not gonna wear this today. Okay. And this is in soft black. This was my favorite eyebrow product. All of the pictures and all of the videos that I did this year that looked like I loved myself because of how good my eyebrows turned out was because of this product right here. I love it more than all of my expensive products. This is not this. I use this today. It's okay. I just don't like the shape of this, and yeah, no. Definitely go get this. So now onto another product, and this is probably I think this is probably my favorite makeup product that I have ever purchased, like ever, not just of 2019, and it is the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Jackie Aina palette. Oh my god. Once I finally got this palette, I opened it up and I was like, I need another one because, oh my god, what if I run out of this one? This palette is so beautiful. It makes me want to go back to being a freelance makeup artist. Like, oh, and I'm sorry if y'all could see the flashback from my mirror. But, oops, if you do not own this palette, what the fuck is wrong with you? Like, period. Just, what is your problem? Go get this palette. Like, it's beautiful. I love it. Just from the outside to the inside, like everything about this palette is absolutely perfect. And I'm not going anywhere. So this is just gonna be a really quick eye look. Nothing too snazzy at all. And hopefully y'all could see beyond these big lashes. I had to take some strips and like cut them up and turn them into like individual sectionals because I can only find 3 lashes, 3 lash strips, and all 3 of them were different. I don't know where my lashes are. I'm gonna have to order some more. Oh, and by the way, these contacts that I'm wearing are in the shade Emerald Green from Iris Beauty. I will put a link to that at the bottom. The green and sponsored kind of made me think about it. And then I'm gonna do lituation right here. I think I'm going to add trust issues down here in like my little corner area. Yeah. To set my contour, I'm going to use the Black Radiance palette, and this is the darker palette that they came out with this year, so the whole entire thing isn't new, but this one was new. And deeper shades for us brown skin girls is a win for all of us. My favorite glow highlighter from this year is by Chantilly Cosmetics. They're like $8. Go check them out. And this is in the shade Honey Bunches. I also have this in Frosted Rose, which is like this rose gold color. Super cute. To set my face, I'm going to use the Fenty powder and Nutmeg. For one, this is my favorite setting powder because it doesn't leave a cast on you, but it does add a little bit of color. I noticed that if I use a foundation that's too dark, this kind of just adds to it being too dark. Stop by. But the finish that it helps your overall look, okay, your overall foundation look to achieve is so pretty. And it smells amazing. I've been loving the Beauty Bakery Setting Grace. Oh, Sweet Grace Makeup Setting Mist. And I like this because it's like the aerosol can, which I know is probably not the best thing. But I do like this better than I like the regular, these type of, those. My favorite eyebrow setting gel is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is clear. And it just helps define your eyebrow hairs, make them stand out. On my lips, I just put some the darkest powder from here and the NYX Butter Gloss and Cinnamon Roll on my lips. I just wanted a dark brown, pretty lip. And as a bonus, I'm gonna show y'all my favorite wig of 2019. And the reason why I love this wig is because it was what, like $25 or something like that. I got it from Amazon. It's the Janet Collections Gabrielle wig. And it is synthetic, and I love this wig because it's big enough, obviously, to fit over my locks. Like, it just kind of, you know, it fits or whatever. So I like it because of that. And it's really frizzy now, which I actually don't mind because of the curls. And I want to make some bangies, but I like it because it was cheap. It's like a go-to wig. I had another wig on during homecoming, and it has started sliding because the glue was lifting while I was cheering, or it started lifting because the glue was, I don't know what the heck was going on. But I had a wardrobe malfunction with my wig when I was cheering for alumni during homecoming, and I went home, got this wig, and went back. So I love it because it is just one of those wigs that you want to keep in the arsenal because you could just throw it on. I'm trying to make some bangs. I didn't really think this through, but we're gonna see what happens. I need new razors. So boom, there you have it. All of my favorites from the year of 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I promise that I'm going to try to do better in 2020 with being consistent and uploading videos. Okay, Blythe. So yeah, Blythe needs me. I will see you guys later. Bye.